The TTS-160 Panther Lite Atlas telescope mount, built for serious observing. Mount side or top with comfort balancing for the perfect eyepiece height. Designed for small to big telescopes, it offers smooth push-to movement and built-in encoders for accurate pointing. And with space for up to 3 telescopes, its strength, versatility and precision in one mount. In this video we'll go into detail about the top mounting configuration of the Panther Lite telescope mount, why you should try it, how to set it up, what you'll need and much more. Why should you go with the top mounted configuration? First, it's the most straightforward way to set up your telescope. The scope sits directly on top, naturally balanced on both axes. It is perfect for visual observing, especially when using binoscopes or binoculars. Top mounting is also the safest way to mount a telescope, as the risk of dropping your scope is significantly reduced, especially for heavier scopes. Stability, of course, also a concern, but because the scope sits centered directly over the tripod or pier, you get maximum stability. When top mounting your scope, using the Panther Lite, you can also comfort balance your setup, giving you a more comfortable observing experience throughout the whole night. An overall simple, sturdy and comfortable configuration. It's the classic way to use the Panther Lite. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. The TTS-160 Panther Lite mount head, a Losmandy or Vixen saddle, 2 counterweights, 2 counterweight arms, a pier or tripod, a pier adapter. The mount head can be fully assembled indoors beforehand and then attached to your pier as one pre-assembled unit, making nighttime setup fast and easy. For a top mounted setup, attach a Losmandy or Vixen saddle to the top plate using the included M8x12 cylinder head screws. Next, attach the 2 counterweight arms to each side of the mount head. Use the included M5x16 countersunk screws. Now the mount head is fully assembled, we can attach it to the pier. Prepare the pier by attaching the pier adapter. Tighten the connecting bolt securely. Place the mount head onto the adapter, rotate till it locks into the horizontal slots, then tighten the 6 finger knobs. Lock the altitude clutch by turning the large black knob on the side. Slide on the counterweights on both sides of the mount head and tighten them. Make sure the dovetail saddle is open. Insert the dovetail plate in the saddle. Now the telescope can rest in the horizontal dovetail while you tighten the saddle lock screws. Never let go of the telescope before you have tested that it sits securely in the saddle. Balance starts with the telescope horizontal. Loosen the altitude clutch and slide the OTA in the dovetail saddle until it feels balanced. Tighten securely. For vertical balancing, point the telescope upwards and adjust the counterweights if needed until balance is perfect. With the mount well balanced, set the clutches for a buttery smooth, effortless motion. You are now ready to enjoy the night sky with your TTS-160 Panther Lite telescope mount. We hope this guide helped you set up your TTS-160 Panther Lite in a top-mounted configuration. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more guides, tips and news from Track the Stars.